This is stock number 16323, 2006 Avalanche. Taking this video for Mark's customer. You can see the hood. There's no dents, no dings on the hood. There's a couple light scratches like right here that can be buffed out. We'll get it all buffed out before you pick it up. As you can see, it is brand new Goodyear Wrangler tires, factory alloy rims, no dents or dings in the front bumper, little scuff here, factory fog lights, a couple little dings that could be PDR'd, paintless dent removal. Light scratches right there, those will come out with a buff. This little cut right there on the plastic. Light scratches on the top. The tonneau cover. Tailgate's pretty clean. Rear bumper's very clean. Full towing package, receiver hitch, wiring, transmission cooler. A couple little scuffs right there in the plastic. Another one right there. Little ding right there, that'll come out. Another little ding right here. Inside, the leather is absolutely perfect. No rips or tears. The carpeting's very clean. No major stains. Factory floor mats. As you can see, 34,533 miles, 6-disc CD changer, power sunroof, OnStar, HomeLink. Passenger seats very clean. Bose sound, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Back seats are very clean. Rear carpeting's perfect. Take a quick look under the hood. Here the engine runs perfect. Very clean. Hope this answered every question you had. Go to lensauto.com.